Now let us understand some questions of communication that were asked in UGC NET exam. The first question is, the sequence of elements in linear model of communication is what? So we have to arrange the elements of linear model of communication in a particular sequence. So you can see the options are given. Now what will be the first element of the linear model of communication? The first element will be encoder. Now, who is an encoder? An encoder is a person who sends a message. So, an encoder is a person who sends the message. So, the first element will be encoder. The next element will be, of course, message, because the encoder will send message. This will be the first element. This will be the second element. Now, the message will be sent through a medium or through a channel of communication. So, the third element is medium. So, what is a medium? Medium is a channel through which a particular communication is delivered. Now suppose, for example, I am sending a message to someone through mail, or I am talking to someone through telephone. So telephone, email, these are the channels or the medium of communication. Example is email or telephone. Now, the fourth element in the linear model of communication is noise. Now see, noise, what is noise? In a communication process, there will be some amount of noise involved. Noise is an unwanted signal that usually disrupts the communication process. It is an unwanted signal that usually disrupts the communication process. There are different kinds of noise. For example, if while communicating I am using a technical language, then it will lead to semantic noise. So this is the fourth element of linear model of communication. Now the last element is decoder. Now who is a decoder? Decoder is a person who receives the message. This is the last element of linear model of communication. Now see, in the steps, you can see that there is no feedback, because in linear model of communication, there is no feedback involved. Linear model of communication is a model of communication which does not involve any feedback. Now let's move to the next question, which is about synchronous and asynchronous communication. Now the question is asked that asynchronous communication takes place through which of the following technologies? Now before doing this question, let us understand what is synchronous communication. Now synchronous communication is a type of communication that occurs in real time. That is, in case of synchronous communication, when we send a message to someone, we immediately receive the feedback. For example, in case of video chat, when we are on a video call with someone, we send a message and we immediately receive the feedback, or we immediately get the response. So this is an example of synchronous communication. Telecommunication, virtual classroom, video chat, these are all the example of synchronous communication where we immediately get the feedback. But asynchronous communication does not happen in real time. We do not get immediate feedback. For example, discussion boards. Discussion boards means where it is online platforms are there where students usually post their doubts, but they do not get the feedback immediately. They get it after some time, maybe after some days or some minutes. Similarly, blog and blog. These two are also the example of asynchronous communication. And another example of asynchronous communication is email. When we send a mail to someone, we do not expect to get the response immediately. We get it after some minutes, some hours or some days. So this question, asynchronous communication takes place through which of the following technology? The answer will be option D, option C. This is option C. No, this is option D, this is option E and F. So D, E, F will be the answer of asynchronous communication. Now this is another question, that is, which of the following are true in respect of communication? It is the options are filtering process, barrierless process, lifelong process, universal and collective process. See, here the answer will be option C, D and E, because communication is a lifelong process, it is an universal process and it is a collective process. But it is not a filtering process and it is not a barrierless process. Barriers are involved in communication. So the answer will be C, D and E. Now this is another question which you have to do it, because I am not going to do it. In classroom communication, analogies are considered what? The options are supporting evidence, unwanted information, control devices and attention breakers. You have to answer the correct option in the comment section. Do comment it now and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more such videos. Thank you.